everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make jalapeno ranch dip. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us though, please do me a favor, go down below there, hit that subscribe button in the corner, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make jalapeno ranch dip. So let's start out with our ingredients here. We have got 1/2 cup of sour cream, we've got 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a packet of dry ranch mix, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, a 1/2 cup of jalapenos, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. We're going to do something a little bit different than we usually do. We're going to mix it up in our little blender here, and that's going to make a perfect consistency for what we're going to do. Let's get started. Alright, I don't have a blender, but I got a NutriBullet, so that's just as good. So I'm going to put our 1/2 cup of sour cream in there. Jalapenos in next. A little bit of juice won't hurt. The garlic salt, the lime juice, our ranch, powdered ranch mix in there. I'm going to put the mayonnaise in next. And then the buttermilk. Put our top on there, and here we go. See if it looks the same as it's. There's our dip. I'm going to go ahead and put this into a smaller bowl, take some great photos of it for social media. We're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy some of that groovy music as well. Before we get into the taste test here, I just want to tell you a little bit about the dip or the sauce or whatever we want to call it. There's a place called Chanticleer Pizza. It's up in this area where I live, and my wife and I have been going there and getting delivery for years. But she was over babysitting the grandkids one time and told me that one of our grandsons had turned her on to this sauce, and now she loves it. I've tried to duplicate it, and I think we've come up with a winner here, but my grandson has yet to try it. So Carson, this one's for you. Next time you're over here, you'll have to give this a try. But I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see if it tastes at all like the sauce that I got brought back from the kids' house as a sample to taste it. So, it's got the kick of the jalapeno, the creaminess of that sour cream in there. Kind of binds it up. The lemon juice, that acidity in there, along with that mayonnaise, makes it really creamy. It's like a salad dressing almost. Well, yeah, ranch dressing. It's good. You can make it thinner by adding less buttermilk or adding more sour cream or mayonnaise. Play with it a little bit. This is more like a dressing or a sauce than a dip. It is a dip, but it's not as thick as a dip would usually be. This is really, really good. Well, my take on jalapeno ranch dip. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.